Hello there, sir. Hope you're doing fine, and thank you for the order that you placed. So let me go ahead and explain this file, and you can go ahead and see how it fits in terms of your process and everything. So the first thing, as soon as you have a patient and you want to go ahead and enter the data, all that you need to do is click on Add Data, and then once you have added the respective data with type of therapy that you need, you can click on add PDF, and the PDF can be selected, and you can go ahead and update the required information right here. So and then once that's completed, you can go ahead and click on the refresh button here, so that the data what you see here will automatically be refreshed. So let me do all that for you, and keep you posted. So the first thing, as I said, is as soon as you open, click on this. So so the first thing that you may want to know before entering the patient is to know the number of therapists. So let's say you have three of them or four or any number that you have. I have set the limit to 10. If you want, I can remove that. The reason is it'll be better that you have some sort of control with respect to therapist, and if needed you can again go back and add the data and go ahead with it. So as of now I've given the 10 as the number of maximum therapist. So that's the thing. So three. So as soon as you submit, it'll pop up and it'll say please enter the first therapist type. So you can select that and click next. So that'll again ask for, like, now remember we are looking for three therapists. So the second one you're going to select here, and next again, and then and next. That's it. So you can go ahead and enter the patient name. So let's say we put some patient name, and the auth key as per your need. So and then the respective dates. By default, it will select today's date. So I'll leave it there. And then the nursing facility again is here. And then if you want to select if yes or no, and cost per visit, if you know for this specific thing, um, you can type 100, let's say, and then uh, let's say we are the first time they're coming in, and then you wanted to give them a discount. I can type -20, they'll get updated. I'm sorry, typed bad. There you go. And then this part I think you can go ahead and enter it directly or here if you already know it. If not, you can just leave it blank. uh, let's see if it is accepting. So you can see that the data is accepted, so it will say like the data added successfully, please use the add button to add the data PDF to this patient. So click OK, and you can see you entered three facilities. You can go ahead and select this and change it, and in case you wanted to change these, or otherwise you wanted to edit one of these based on the therapy, you can do that right here. That's up to you. And then when you have a update, you can just go ahead and update these information. The respective calculations will also be done automatically. So you can see three data has been done. So in here, so the next step, as I said, there will be the add the PDF. So you can select the row number. So let's say you wanted to select an ad for this particular person. You can just type 21, select file, and then let's say you go to a PDF, anything you want. Select what you want, click open. That's it. It'll go ahead and it'll get updated right here. Now you can, if you want, you can open there and see. And if, okay, so close that. Don't want to save that one, so you can go ahead and keep doing that again. So if you come back here, and you can see the respective data is just now refreshed because as you've added, so automatically the dashboard also refreshes. In case you have added some data like here and you want to refresh, you can click on the refresh button and it will automatically add the data right here. So you just got to go ahead and enter the next patient and so on and so forth as and when things come up, and it's pretty self-explanatory for and that's the way the workflow goes. So probably when I send you this file, I'll delete all these data, probably leave one data, one row just for reference, and then you can just start using the file. So I'll give you like two files, one for testing, another for production use. And in the production use, the dashboard will look very weird because there is no data. But don't worry, as and when the data is getting populated, and if you refresh, the data will automatically be populated and the graphs will automatically be amended. So it is about how much data that we have. So right now, all I have is sample data, and hope it makes sense. And if there are any queries, perhaps we still have to go ahead and do a screen share in order to clear your doubt if there is anything at all. If not, the video what I just showed should have a considerable amount of information. I'll be happy to assist still if you have any more query. Okay, have a good day. Take care.